Hey guys, good morning. Good morning everyone. So this is a kind of update. The reason why I've not posted for a very long time. For like 2 weeks now, I've not put up a content for you guys, and I'm here to tell you guys the reason why I've not put up a content. So guys, you all know I am a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria, and I create content around hair, wigs, the makeup, and other beautiful stuff that you like. But for a very long time now, I've not put up a content for you guys out there. So this is the reason why I've not posted for a very long time. There is this need for me to update you guys on that. You all know I lost my husband some time ago, and I'm still mourning him. Like I told you guys before, I'm going to mourn my husband for 6 months. Yes, 6 months, and we are still on it. All right. So it hasn't been easy at all. If I tell you that it's easy, know you that I am lying. It hasn't been easy at all. So losing a loved one, losing my husband, who has been there, you know, supporting me, very supportive financially, you know, helping with house chores and stuff like that. You understand? So losing that person is not going to be easy. I'm not finding it easy at all. May his soul continue to rest in peace. May he continue to find favor in the presence of God in Jesus' name. So guys, this is why I've not posted for a very long time. After my husband's burial, I was called by the parents, siblings, everybody, my parents, my siblings, my cousin, my nephew, everybody, every family members. You know how Africa is now. When something like that happens to you, everybody, even the dog in your compound, even the goats, they have say. There will be a family meeting, and you know that kind of family meeting now, that kind of family meeting that when you enter, even the faces that you don't know, everybody will be present in order to discuss about you. So that is Africa for you, in order to discuss about you. So after the burial, they came up with this idea that it's over, Abuja, bye bye. They don't want to see me in Abuja again. The Abuja kind of did not favor me, stuff like that. They want me back home. No, not even that Abuja did not favor me. Their main reason for saying that is because they felt my husband is not there again. I have nobody in Abuja. I only have friends, you know, that I needed a family member or somebody that is close. In case anything happened, I will see somebody, you know, to call and say, please, oh, come, or this and that, and nobody is there. My mother said she can't come to Abuja. My brothers-in-laws, they were like, Abuja is too far, they can't be coming to Abuja, you know, to check on me and the kids. So I need to relocate where they can easily send somebody to come and be like, okay, how are you people doing? I hope you guys are coping, check on the children, you know, see how we are, you know, faring. So I was at first, to be sincere with you, it's not easy. I was so skeptical about the whole thing. I was kind of changing, because you know, changing a base is not easy at all. I was like, where will I start? How will I even do this thing? You know, starting, because you changing environments means you are starting everything all over again. You are starting your life all over again. You are starting your business all over again. Thank God my business is online business. That is what I do. I am a content creator. Yeah, so that one, no much issue there, because you can create content anywhere. But you know, otherwise, you know, going to a new environment, you are starting all over again. You know, everything is just as new, fresh, you know, stuff like that. So at first I was like, can I do this? Can I leave Abuja? Though Abuja is not my thing, Abuja is not my favorite place to stay. It's my youth service that took me to Abuja, and from there I met with my husband. We got married, and since then, when he was alive, I used to tell him, Oni, I don't like this place. I need to, you know, I love Lagos. to be sincere with you guys, I love Lagos a lot, because I started my life as a songwriter, as a musician, as an actor. So I wanted a place where I would stay, you know, so that all these things can be very easy for me, you know, to meet people that are into it. So I started my music career in Lagos State. You know, it hasn't been easy. So that one is a story for another day, where I will put up a little clip of us, or maybe show you guys pictures of my music journey. All right. So but for now, we are talking about me, you know, leaving Abuja and stuff like that. So it hasn't been easy when they said it. So but on a second thought, when I sit and think about it, I was like, oh, Black and Shine, you are not Abuja person. So if I can relocate to other place, I think that would be better. That is a dream come true, which I've been praying for, you know, to come, but not actually in this way, not in the way of me losing my husband before I would relocate. You know, I wanted us to relocate together, but it's a pity he's no more now, and may his soul continue to rest in peace. So after they said that, I reconsidered it, and I think, let me just give it a try. And that was when I started nursing the idea of where do I want to stay, which location, where will be okay for me and my children. You know, my mother, they wanted me close, my mother-in-law, they wanted me close. So I was just, you know, running around with my conscience, thinking of where will I stay, where will be, because I needed a place that would be comfortable, a place that would be home, a place that where I will not think of that I'm starting all over again. I just needed a place where I can just, you know, like go and continue with my life. So that is it. So my mother-in-law, they suggested Enugu. According to my mother-in-law, she wanted me to stay with her. She wanted me to stay with her. Then my parents, they wanted me to be close, because according to my mom, she said she'll be coming around to come and check on the kids. My dad, everybody, my elder brother, every members of my family, they wanted to come around and check on us. I was in a state of confusion. Where will I go? Where is the best place? You know, what is the next step? You know, it hasn't been easy with me. So guys, finally I decided to settle in Awka, Anambra State, Nigeria. So now from today, as you are watching this video now, Black and Shine is now a content creator based in Awka, Anambra State. Yeah, Awka is a very good town, though little expensive. Awka is nice. This is where I started my life. Awka has been a home. I am from Anambra State. My husband is Enugu, but Awka has been a home. This is where the whole story started. This is where I started my life. So me staying in Awka is not a new, you know, like a new environment for me, because this is where the whole thing started. My secondary school, then I was living in a dormitory, is in Awka. University, Awka. Everything Awka. So I grew up, you know, Awka here. I know all the environment, I know all the nooks and crannies. I know I have childhood friends whom I grew up with. They are still in Awka right now. So you see, Awka is not a new place for me. It's just like, you know, pick up and move. So we decided to settle in Awka. So this is my new house in Awka. This is my room. I'm so sorry, I have plenty clothes. The kids, this is my new room. So let's do a little house tour. All right, let's do a little house tour. This is my room. This is my bed. This is my bed. I just woke up now. So sorry if you are seeing it scattered. So this is how I arrange my house. I love everything I'm doing, you know, to just look good. All right, sorry guys, let me turn on the lights. So yeah, so this is my room. All right, this is my room. This is it. I'm going to show you guys everything. This is my room. This is the curtain I have there. The house is very nice. This is my side fridge. This is my side fridge. My bed. So I have my curtain here. So I had to design with this flower because I wanted something, you know, greenish. I wanted nature very close to me while I'm sleeping. By the side I have another green rope. So here is my filming equipment, setting, my laptop, my YouTube awards. This is going to be another beautiful video. All right, this is going to be another beautiful video, but for now, I'm going to make video on this to celebrate this, because I didn't celebrate this. This thing came when my husband was down, so I was really you know, battling with his sickness. You know, I don't have time to celebrate. I only snap with it. So that is it. So I have my filming set. This is my ring light. This is where I mount it. All right, so let me turn it on so that you can see it. This is my ring light. You can see it. So filming resume. For now, see my clothes, everything is scattered. I have not like arranged. This is supposed to be the wardrobe area, but unfortunately there is no wardrobe here, so I'm waiting for the carpenter maybe by January, because they are all busy now. He will come and set up something here for me to like arrange my clothes. So guys, let's see my bedroom. This is the most sweetest of it all. Okay, I love my bedroom. So see, it is very big, it's very large. All right, it's very large and very beautiful. I love it. I love everything about this bedroom. So I can, if I'm bathing, I'll just turn around and, you know, stuff like that. So that's it. So this is my bedroom. So I have my shower up here. You can see it. I have my shower. If I want, I can like bathe with shower. So I love this setting because it's so big, and you know, it can contain and whatever I want to do here, I can easily do it. So that is it. That is my new home. So guys, I'm going to show you other places. You know, the house they have here in Awka, Anambra State is so beautiful in a way that everything is so large. You have enough space to do whatever you want to do. All right, so here are the children room. They are still sleeping. We still have things cluttering everywhere. Here are my children room. Here are the children room. You can see it. Here is their room. They are not in now. So we still have bags, loads of bags, like, you know, Ghana must go everywhere. This is their own bedroom. Somebody is there. So this is this thing. We still have loads of bags that we want to, you know, offload later. My kitchen. So guys, this is my kitchen. Things are still cluttering everywhere, as you can see. We have a lot of stuff, but one thing I love about this kitchen is the kitchen is so big. I mean, the kitchen is so big to contain everything. Even when I still have my things like my plates and stuff like that cluttering everywhere, still my kitchen is big, very big, you know. So we are still waiting for the carpenter. All the carpenters in Awka, they don't have time now. They are all busy. The one that came here when I came back, wanted him to start work immediately because I needed to renovate my share. He said no time, that he can't do stuff like that until January. He actually pleaded with me to give him time, you know, so that he can finish the work he has at hand. Then by January he will come and pick up my things and work for me. So by January I think I'll have kitchen cabinets for here and up, so that I can now put up some things, hide some things in there. All right, so that is it for now. Yeah, that is it for now. So we move over to the parlor. The parlor is still scattered everywhere, but we're arranging it. So here is the parlor. We are still arranging. This is the AC. We have not mounted yet. So this is the setting of the parlor. Even our curtain has not been fixed. This is the parlor setting. So here it is. even the GoTV for the kids has not been mounted very properly. It has been mounted, but they still need to work on it so that the children, they can start, you know, viewing their favorite Cartoon Network. So that is it. So guys, this is me in a new environment. So maybe in my next vlog, I'm going to be showing you guys the environment completely, as in like outside, the compound and other stuff like that. But for now, I think is enough. See you guys on my next vlog. You are going to be seeing more vlogs on this channel. I'm going to be posting vlogs. Not that I will not be posting my hair tutorial. I will be posting my hair tutorial, but at the same time, I'm going to be posting vlogs so that you guys know how we are doing. But there is something that I'm thinking of. I don't know if I should create another channel for the vlog, or I should just keep posting them in this channel. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. All right, let me know which one is the best. Should I be posting my videos in this channel, or I should create another channel where I post my vlogs, you know, my life updates, so that I will carry you guys along? All right, so let me know what you think in the comment section below. So guys, remember, I love you. Remember, I am still black and shine. Changing of environment does not stop me from creating my normal contents for you guys. So I will keep posting more contents for you guys. So see you on my next video. Bye.